I'm gonna show you how to bake these croissants from frozen to fresh in less than a minute. Take them out of your freezer and put them in the fridge overnight. I'm Karen, the baker and owner of Butterblock. For the cheese knot, you want to butter up your ramekin and put your cheese knots in there. Boil hot water and pour it into the pan. Place the croissants on top and the hot water on the bottom. And let it proof for 90 minutes. Take everything out and preheat the oven at 375 Fahrenheit. Whisk the egg with a splash of milk and brush it on top of the croissants, not the cheese knots, but instead put some extra cheese on top. When the oven's ready, bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. There you go. That was less than a minute.